Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2018 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. I've always had a huge soft spot for these trucks. Don't mind that, that's just a garage door. I've always had a huge soft spot for these trucks, and I'm ecstatic that we got one in used inventory so I could take a look at it. You have a ton of little ZR2 Easter eggs throughout the truck. You have this on the bed lining, or the bed side. You also have ZR2 here on the actual wheels themselves, which is pretty cool. You have that front and back. You also have a nice ZR2 badge up in the front grille area. As you can see, it really sets itself apart. It is unlike any other Colorado. If you were to see a ZR2 on the road, it's very, very easy to tell that it is a ZR2 and it's something unique. You also have, because this is the ZR2, some off-road shocks. This one has right around 8,000 miles on it, so it's basically brand new. Because it is a truck, you do have the cargo bed in the back. And you also have another ZR2 Easter egg where it's a ZR2 badge in the bed lining itself. Your backup camera is right here, so you don't have to worry about not being able to see backwards. This one has the 3.6 liter V6, which is a sweetheart of mine. I've always loved the 3.6. You also have another ZR2 badge right here, as well as embroidered on the headrest. That I absolutely love. While you looks like you have running boards, these are just door sill protectors for if you were to hit a rock or anything like that. Interior is really, really nice. You have wireless charging. You have a USB charger. Go ahead, turn the power on. Chevrolet MyLink. Nice touchscreen infotainment system. You can turn on the cameras and stuff like that. I'll shut the door so it stops beeping at me. Rearview mirror. Sunglasses holder. Your sun visors, of course. Really like the gauges, nice and classic, can't go wrong there. Your good old differential lockers, it's great to have for trails. You have your heated seats here, kind of go through this infotainment system. You have your traffic, your camera, your apps that were installed on the truck. Glove compartment with the original window sticker, that's pretty rare. So this one new, let's see if I can find it. So $43,990 is what this one's stickered for new. I'm not going to try to bring that out because that's all wrapped in there. That's pretty cool that you have the window sticker for the truck. Back seats are pretty nice, pretty roomy for the segment. But yeah, let's go ahead, take this thing for a drive. Alright, and now onto the drive of this Colorado ZR2. Really, really like this truck a lot. It reminds me of a mini Raptor. That's pretty much what it was when it first was released. One of my favorite little touches is the ZR2 embroidered on the headrest. That is absolutely phenomenal. What's nice is even with these huge off-road tires, it's not unbearable to drive on the road. A lot of times when you have those big off-road tires, it makes it so much noisier on the road. It makes it drive like a bag of bricks. Or not bag of bricks, like loose all over the place. So I'm glad that this is still good to drive with these tires on it. Plenty of power from this V6 motor. I've always kind of loved the ZR2. That's why I'm really, really glad we were able to get one in pre-owned inventory. No complaints whatsoever with it. I love this thing. It's awesome. It definitely sets itself apart on the road too, just due to the overall aggressive design of it. It's really, really cool. I love it. just kind of stayed quiet back there. That way you could kind of hear the overall ambiance of the vehicle, overall road noise and stuff like that. Great amount of power. I mean, this thing is just unbelievably cool. Now, if this was my own truck, I would take it off-roading and show you guys that, but since this is our inventory, I'm not going to do that, just because of respect for the next owner and respect for the detailers that just detailed this truck. So I don't want to ruin their work. You do have two differential lockers, front and rear, which is awesome for trails. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.